Скажите мне, кто хозяин Теремке?
There is no sadness and loneliness in the center. We visit the center every day. We jointly make noodles, do knitting, bake buns. We also have a big orchard. Here we store marinated vegetables, apple jam, black currant jam, apricot jam. These products we generate income, we sell half of them. Children come to our center to learn drawing. Unfortunately, during winter it is too cold as there is no appropriate heating system, neither the glassed windows nor the doors. My name is Svetlana Nikolaevna. I represent the daycare center for lonely elderly people and ask for your support. With our help, senior citizens will get big opportunity for a decent old age. The amount that we would like to collect is $9,000. With the help of this money, we will insulate this building and bring warmth and joy to the elderly people. I know that you have kind and responsive hearts, and I believe that we all care about this. From the bottom of my heart, I would appreciate for any of your support that you would provide for our senior citizens.
Я красавица, лисичка, хитроумная счастливая. В теремок меня пустите, пирожками угостите.